Hello and welcome to Total Television. I'm Brian Dolby and today I'm talking to Faye McClenahan of Aculab. Faye, Aculab, moving into cloud, give us a bit of background to the rationale behind that.
Sure. I think Aculab is probably known most for its telephony hardware. We've been in the telephony industry for 30 years now. But what we are looking to do with cloud telephony is basically take our proven telephony resources and expertise and just put it onto a new platform. The main sort of drive behind it being to make it much easier for developers, maybe that aren't familiar with the lower level programming APIs, to be able to come and build their own telephony applications. And with Aculab Cloud, you're talking about APIs like Python and .NET, which means they don't need those level of expertise that they might have had in the past. But also it's just more cost effective. They're not having to buy their own telephony hardware and servers and have data centers in which to house all these sort of pieces of equipment. They don't have to worry about all the upgrades, etc. It's very much just about writing their telephony application, registering it with Aculab Cloud, and then basically they're running and up and running with their service.
It seems another great example of cloud. Are you getting a lot of traction for it?
We certainly are. We've been really encouraged. I mean, even back in the beta phase when we had a select number of trialists, we've now got sort of 3 partners that are already sort of running 4 million minutes of calls, etc., through the platform, which we found really, really encouraging at such an early stage. And we have a number of other developers that are sort of in the wings, just doing their final testing and development, that are looking to go live very soon.
Yeah, and I think we're talking, we're not talking UK here. You guys are very international, aren't you?
That's right. In terms of our, again, early adopters, we've got a couple that are based in the US. One of them is doing a very large voice broadcast application. Another one is doing an IVR service for multiple MVNOs. And we also have a new partner coming on board in Australia, and that's going to be for an inbound fax service. So yes, we're certainly around the world, yeah.
Because Aculab is a very, very well-known company. It's probably one of those typically British understated companies. As I say, you are very international. Give us a little bit of background to the company.
In terms of the company, we've been in the industry, like I sort of mentioned, for the past 30 years. We've always been about the software, so whether it's been on hardware or whether we've been developing software to just run on a host server, and really now what we're doing with cloud is just pulling those resources out. But we'll continue to satisfy our existing customers. It's really just about providing choice, so making it as easy to build the telephony applications that people need and want to make.
Great. Well, look, thanks for talking to us on Total Television. We look forward to hearing about more successes on the international market.
Thank you.